Chainsawman. Okay. Let's just get right into it, okay? I'm sorry I couldn't give you any hugs and kisses, okay? Let's just get right into it, okay? So we finally find out why everybody is so afraid of Denji, why they wanted to kill him, right? It's not because they wanted his power for himself. This dude is dangerous. Apparently, he eats devils, okay? Right? He's a cannibal, okay? A cannibal. And if he eats you, okay, everybody forgets. The one thing. So this guy nullifies devils, right? If he eats you, okay, everybody forgets. So that basically means that the one thing that makes devils powerful, right, is nullified, okay? And that's the fact that people are afraid of that devil specifically. It's like the thing that makes the gun devil so powerful is the fact that people are afraid of guns, okay? That's one of the things that most people are afraid of. Guns, okay? Right? The darkness devil is mad because there's a bunch of kids. You know how kids are afraid of the dark, okay? Right? When we saw the darkness devil, that guy, that was OP. The darkness devil was just bro. Like, you saw that all there on. Oh my days, I was mad. This chapter was crazy, right? In the last review, okay, if you actually follow me, subscribe to the channel, man. I talked about this, okay? How is this guy, right? The guy that told, I don't even know this guy's name, right? How is he gonna beat them? Okay? How? Right? He missed his opportunity. He missed his opportunity. Dude, the gate is closed, man. That doorway is no longer open. It's over. And then this dude, they send Denji to hell, and he starts one-shotting people. Like, what the bro? Like, I'm low-key kind of shook right now. Okay. It's like me, I'm afraid of the Chainsaw Man, man. Like, I don't know what the fuck is going. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. I'm trying to theorize. I'm trying to predict. Okay. I am studying this. Okay. I have research notes. Okay. Now, I actually don't, but I'm playing. The point. I don't even know what the fuck the point is. Oh! My brain is shutting down right now. Some things are starting to be explained. Okay. Other than that, we honestly don't know. You know, honestly don't know. And apparently, we finally found out what Makima's motive is. She wants to use him to make the world more peaceful. That's a lie, right? I don't believe that, right? This chick is way too manipulative, right? Way too manipulative, right? And like her ability, like I actually kind of understand why Makima is so powerful, right? People are afraid of being controlled, right? They are afraid of being. Dude, this is some metaphor. This is meta commentary right now, right? If what makes a devil so powerful is what people are afraid of, then the fact that Makima is so powerful really tells you something about human nature, okay? People are afraid of control, okay? They are terrified of being taken advantage of. Okay. Right? There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. But that's a really interesting. When you think of it, that's really interesting. You know. Right, the author is telling stories right now. Okay, that's some meta commentary right there. Right, for all those people saying that Shonen Jump is trash, you don't know. You're not paying attention, man. Right, there's levels to this shit. Okay, levels. That's some meta commentary right there. Okay, but like, are you afraid of? Okay, so why is Denji so powerful? Right? Is it because the other devils are afraid of Denji? Right. So does that mean that that whole sort of like what people are afraid of also applies to devils? Think about that. That's something. That's food for thought right there. Munch on that, man. Food for thought. At this point, I'm just rambling. Okay, I'm just rambling at this point. Okay. Most anime reviews. Subscribe to the channel. There's something else I want to talk about. Imagine if there was a Nazi devil. Right? They mentioned Nazis. Right? Nazi devil. That would be great. Like, what the fuck? I was about to do a German impression. Hunter sprechen ja. Exactly, and then that devil, like, it only targets Jews. It's so funny. Is that there's a Nazi devil and it only targets Jews. Exactly, and like, the whole purpose, exactly, the Nazi devil, right? Right? It was responsible for the Holocaust. And, okay, that's a fucked up joke. Well, it's for the Nazi devil and it only targets Jews. That shit is hilarious. Ooh. Like, imagine that, right? The Hunger Devil. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. Right? Anyone, exactly, it eats people. Right? And it's always hungry. Right? And the more people it eats, the hungrier it gets. Right? And the more people that become afraid of it, the more powerful it becomes. Exactly. That's peak. Right, you can obviously tell that Denji has gone berserk. Right. It's a shame. It's a shame. But hopefully, like, by the end, you know what I mean? Like, this character gets a happy ending. He deserves a happy ending. You know? It really does, man. It's your boy, Master Anime Reviews. RIP headphone users. Subscribe to the channel. Sayonara.